morning, traders. Welcome to the weekly Elliott Wave Street update. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to start the week with the Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive the notifications once we post new content. This is the euro. On the euro, I was able to short last week at the 122.30, 34 area, around this area. And I take partial profits and I keep part of my trade open. The main plan on the euro, let's talk about the medium term, is to have the euro coming down to this pivot, the 117. And this area seems to be a reversal zone. We are in the validation process. I already have my trade, and this week the euro is going to give the chance to trigger again, to enter again in another trade. Because look, once the price finished the wave 2 black, it's going to be time to sell again, to add to the position, or maybe just to take a new trade if you are not in a short trade yet. So ABC, the price moving above wave A and returning, this is a great entry. Validation is key. Validation is important because what if the price moves up here without showing a signal? It's not a trade. But if we have the price moving outside and then inside or above and below wave A, that's an entry, that's a validation. We already have the price moving below these pivots, is already in a bearish trend, is doing the corrective. So that will be the entry. And then we can look to the left to find targets. 120.60, then 119, then the 118. So we have a little room to the downside, and it seems that it's starting a new market cycle. The New Zealand dollar is also interesting. This week is the same trade, exactly the same. So if the price moves above wave A and it reverses at this area, reversal is the key word. We need to see reversal, and the signal happens there, we can go short and we can target this area. And the stop, when I take these trades, when the price moves here and reverse, the stop can be just above the high, and that's it. We don't need to have a huge stop. Just with the price moving, showing the signal here, we can leave the stop 1 or 2 points above the high of this wave 2, and that's it. And the first target is here, then we target here. We manage the trade. I'd like to book profits at 30 pips. I take usually half of my trade out at 30 points because I'm conservative with my money. But of course, there are a lot of risk management rules that you can use. But here we're talking about entries, how to trigger a high probability trade, and of course, with Elliott Wave targets. Let's have a look at the S&P. The S&P has been choppy. It's going up, but it's choppy, right? I think that the move down is the end of a wave 2, and we are at the beginning of a new market cycle. So all these waves, all these labels that you see here, I add them manually. I label my waves manually every day. This is almost like an art when you are doing Elliott Wave analysis. So here, if the price starts doing a wave 3, that's my ideal setup. Fantastic. I have been long for a while on the S&P. I accumulate on each retrace SPYs. And there is an alternative. This could be a leading diagonal wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if that's the case, this will be wave 1, the entire structure, ABC for the wave 2. In case of a deeper corrective, I will need to activate this wave count. Will be another discount to add more. And here will come the wave 3. So I'm in the middle of these two options, but both bullish. Anyway, this area is not to buy. Clearly, it's too expensive. You will need to wait for a discount. But if you are already in the trade, just hold it. Hold it, because we have potential at the next level to break out this previous high. This was a new record high. And the plan is to have the breakout of this area to continue climbing. And if we clear up this area, then we have a lot of room to the upside. The dollar this week is doing exactly the same as the euro dollar. Of course, the opposite or inverse. Here we have A, here we have a B, and then we need to see ABC reversal here back to this area. We are going to be around this previous institutional area, and from here is where it can start climbing the price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, moving up the dollar. So I'm bullish on the dollar this week, and that could cause the New Zealand dollar, the euro to go lower, the dollar yen to go higher. I'm looking for a buy trade on the dollar yen. So that will be the plan for this week. Of course, it's a heavy week. It's the non-farm employment data at the end of the week. So, of course, we're going to have a lot of things going on. But mainly, this is going to be the bias and the plan for this week. All right, traders, please visit ElliottWaveStreet.com if you want to receive my daily analysis. You are going to find all the details on ElliottWaveStreet.com, then membership tab, and here you will find the plans that we offer. Forex stocks are the full access. You can start with your trial and check for a month if you like the analysis. I'm sure you're going to love it, with daily updates with charts and videos on these markets. Please have a fantastic start of your week. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.